Hi guys, and today we are gonna be opening Minion Surprises! Yay! Here is the Minion Surprises. This is how much we can get. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. This is really... I open it. Now let me take some surprise eggs out. 1. Give it 2. Now 2. Now 3. Wow. Now let's open one. I'm doing it all by my own. This is half of the egg. Now let me show you another egg of the big egg. Wow, this opened pretty easy. Well, I did open it all by myself. Here is the beautiful egg and here the chocolate. Now let's screw this away. I think I can open it. Here is it. Oh, so cute! I know who this is, but you have to guess. I'm not gonna tell you. Now let me just show you. Cute! Now here I'm gonna open another one. There were 3. Now let me open it. Oh! Now I'm gonna screw the chocolate away. Well, this is the old one. No, this is old. The game tester. Mom! Hey, my sister opened it all by herself. This is a bringy spingy bongy thing. I got in a minion egg. It's not a minion thing. It's some kind of kids thing. I want to... You're gonna live in some chocolate with me. Oh my god! Ooh, but this is not one thing. It's gonna be happen. Ooh, what's this? This is the 3rd one. This is a toy. Daddy. Daddy. These are all what we have. This is Minion, dog, and this bongy thing. Finally, we are gonna eat some chocolate. Mmm. We have to brush after we eat the chocolate. You know why? Because your teeth will get black. Don't forget to like and subscribe.